Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the brightness of your video in ShotCut. So let's say we have this video right here, and as you can see, it is quite dark, and we want to add some more light into this video. So go ahead and click on this clip, go to Filters, then click on the plus sign, and type in Brightness. And as you can see, it will show up for you. We can start to add some more lighting by increasing 100% to, let's say, 110. And you can see that it gets a little lighter. Now, how about 150? And as you can see, it is much brighter now. So let's compare the video before increasing the brightness and after increasing the brightness. So that's basically it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and also share with others.